Hey everybody, it's Jork. Welcome back. Hope you're doing great wherever you are in the world. I wanted to get this information out to everyone in case you didn't already know. The Constitutional Court in Portugal has said that kind of the immigration provisions and changes that were passed through Parliament and then given to the President, which he wasn't a fan, and he kicked it off to the Constitutional Court. He said they basically have said that some of this stuff is not right or constitutional, so it needs to go back to Parliament for further discussion in September. And specifically to that, I want to read this just so that you're aware. So the clauses that violate the Constitution relate to the government's proposals regarding family reunification. So first, the government sought to limit this to spouse and offspring under the age of 18, so kind of minors, excluding adult family members, and then only allowing family reunification after the foreign citizen had been living in Portugal with a valid residency for 2 years. And that's been a sticking point, that 2 years. Many of you made comments in prior videos that I made that said, you know, if that's the case, we're definitely not considering Portugal, or we're getting out and cutting our losses wherever we are in the process. So it seems like it's going to be going back in when Parliament is going to get back at it in September and see what they may look to do or what further or additional changes they may make. Obviously, these are things that they can't do. So be curious to see what will come from it. Definitely seemed like a knee-jerk reaction based upon the Chega getting a lot more seats and more, I guess, perceived power. And this kind of suggests that maybe that's not so much, a little bit of an overreach there. But Prime Minister Montenegro had mentioned that still wants to work on controlling immigration. So there's probably something similar that will get run through in September, and we'll see what happens with it. Although these clauses won't be there, they may do some other things once they can determine whether it be constitutional or not and push it through. So we'll see what happens. Just wanted to get this out so that everybody can stay tuned to the latest and greatest. As always, thank you so much for watching and enjoy your travels.